Hi guys, welcome back to Gagliardi Photography Tips and Tricks. Today we'll face a common issue when we take pictures of a group of people. Usually when we take this kind of pictures, it may happen that some of the people in the picture may have their eyes closed, or maybe they make strange faces, weird expressions. So what we want to do is to get rid of these issues. Let's see how we can do it. One way to solve these issues is to make multiple pictures, and usually we have to make these pictures in a short amount of time. After making these pictures, we can combine them in post-production. Let's see how we can do it. So first, let's have a look at two of these pictures that we need to combine. This is the first picture. Here the man has the eyes closed, and in the other one the man and the woman are okay, but the little girl has the eyes closed. So let's see how to combine them. So first we have to select them in Adobe Bridge and then open in Camera Raw. We select both pictures and we open them. So first we need to check the image resolution, and the image resolution, so the image size is in pixel, the width is 7360 and the height is 4912 pixels. So we need to create a new document, new Photoshop document, and Photoshop selected for us the right image resolution, so we need to create a new one. Now we have to go to the two images. So the first one, we select all, so we select all the content of the image and we do a Command C, copy, so edit, copy. We go to the new document and we go to edit, paste, so we have a new layer. Then we go to the other image and we do exactly the same. So we go to select all, then edit, copy. We go to the new document and we go to do edit and paste. Okay, now we have this new document with the background and the new layers. We can at first delete the background, and we have the first layer, this one, and the second layer. It's better to put the layer we want to modify at the top here. This is the one we want to modify, and we want to get rid of the closed eyes. So the first thing we have to do is to select both layers. Then we go to edit, auto align layers, and then we have to check the reposition option. So let's see what Photoshop did for us. So as you can see, the images are aligned now. So that's why we need to make these pictures in a very short amount of time, so they have about the same content. Now what we have to do is to make a mask on the new layer, the layer on the top. So first we select the layer and we go here to add a layer mask. The layer mask is all white, so this means that the layer on the top overrides what is underneath. So what we need to do now is to paint in this mask and to get rid of this weird face and select the one that is right beneath this layer. So let's see how we can do it. So first we have to select the brush tool and select the brush with no hardness. Okay. Then we go to the mask and we can paint with black. You see, this is the black, the foreground is black, and we can begin to paint here. As you can see, the face beneath this layer begins to appear. So it's very simple to do this. And that's it. Please let me know what do you think about this tip. Please, I would like to hear a comment from you, and if you like this video and my channel, please subscribe to it so I can continue to make this kind of content. I also have a site, a photography site, the name is gagliardiphotography.com, so I hope you can go there and see some of my pictures. Bye bye!